Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. We're here at Eastside Auto. I'm John. We're here to take care of all your service needs for import, European, domestic cars. Service BMW and Mini, Mercedes, Volkswagen and Audis, along with all domestic vehicles. We're here to take care of you. Any issue that you have, we would love the chance to diagnose. Come on in. We're here set up ready to take care of alignments, tire vibration diagnosis, mounting and balancing. We can do engine diagnostic and repair. We can do brakes, suspension, oil change, all service on import, European, and domestic vehicles. Yep, let's take a walk around the shop. We have our alignment rack here. Have our alignment rack here, fully functional, able to do anywhere from your 1992s and older. We can do some of the classic cars like this Chevy Nova we've got on the lift here, and all the way up to 2021, all capable of that. We've got our tire balancing over here. We have a Road Force Elite Balancer, capable of diagnosing tire vibrations, shakes, vehicle pull. Great machine for mounting your new tires. We're fully equipped to do AC diagnostic and repair. We are fully equipped for electronic diagnosis and repair. This is Eastside Auto, here to take care of your import, domestic, and European services, oil change, brakes, suspension, engine diagnosis and repair, electrical diagnosis and repair. We look forward to seeing you.